Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to solve hotspot problem on Samsung phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here firstly you have to click on setting. When you move on the setting, from here you have to search for the connected devices. Okay, when you click on the connected devices, from here you can see the options. I think there is no option in the connected devices. You have to scroll on the down. Just scroll down to general and manage. Okay, click here on the general and manage. When you click on it, from here again you have to scroll down, then here you have to click on reset. Okay, click on reset. When you click on the reset, here you have to select the first option, reset all settings. Okay, click on the reset. No, click on the reset network settings. Okay, the second option. Okay, click on reset network setting. So from here you can see inside the reset network setting, it has written that this will reset all network settings, including those for Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth, including, it says only including some points. Okay, but it will reset all networks. It means that it will reset the Wi-Fi problem, mobile data problem, Bluetooth problem, hotspot problem, internet problem, network problem. It will solve every problem. Okay, what you need to do is that you just click on reset setting, click on reset. This will solve your problem. You just need to click on reset setting. Okay, after that again you just click on reset and this will solve your problem. Okay, so friends, no need to worry, it will not disturb your data or your privacy. Okay, photos and videos, it deals only with network, so it will deals only network. No. And friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.